Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Put them scissors away before I drop them somewhere. Oh, okay. Well, we have 2 stamped cross stitches and a tool, and this comes from FGNormal. And if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, it'll be right along here and in the description box below, so do check that out. And we'll start with the first thing that I got. So I got one of these little sticky pads. They are on sale for $1.25. So if you do beaded stuff, or I don't know how well it'd work for diamond painting, but it'd hold your tray, and it is sticky on both sides. If I can get it off of here. Well, maybe. That one came off really well. Or you can just leave it on here if you want. But if it gets any kind of, oh, now it's going to be a pain. Like dirt and lint and stuff, just run it right under water on both sides and it'll come right off, and then just let it air dry and it'll be sticky again. But yeah, I have some someplace else. I'm not sure where that's at. But yeah. So they are awesome. I just absolutely love them. This one's extra sticky. I'm not sure what's going on here, but maybe because it was in the mailbox. I have no idea. But we'll let it get to room temperature, and maybe we'll use it this week and do some beaded cross stitch, because that's what I use it for. Let's get on to the cross stitch. The first one is 31 by 29, 14 count. It was $5.06. Of course, it's Joy Sunday. It comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let me get it out of its bag. These bags are wonderful. They're pretty soft. They don't fall apart or anything that I've ever had. So the thing said it was a Peony number 2, but it's in another language. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at those pinks and reds and greens together. Oh, love this. Loved it. And it's not very big. Let's see what we got going here. Oh my goodness. We have a total of 29 colors. 28 of those are in regular cross stitch. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 half cross stitch colors. And 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 in back stitch. And we have 154, which is the mulberry. We have anything else I know? B5200 for the white. I don't see any 310 black. Now the top, this is one of those where the top numbers match the paper pattern, and these bottom numbers all match the canvas. And I think because it's so small, that's why they make this. You know, print that like it is. So they've started doing that. Looks like all this shading part around here and in and out of all the flowers and stuff are all half cross stitches. So that's good. And then this vase thing, 99% of it, there's just like the stems are regular stitch. Got some back stitching around there, but the rest of those stitches are all half cross stitches. And so are some of the flowers. So that's different. I've never seen one printed quite like that. But very nice paper pattern. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. All the symbols will be different. But nice and big and easy to see. You can see where all those half cross stitches are. Up in here, along this side. So that'll be different. Why do they have to make something so small? So complicated. I don't. But it will be beautiful when it's done, because I love peonies. Let's take a look at the colors. Get them all detached here. It does come with 2 needles. This is one of those cards where the red numbers tell you how many strands. You have the DMC number and then the number for the thread card. But look at those colors. You have all different shades of pinks. You have a little purple, like a bluish purple, like that's more Wedgwood blue. Then you have purple, kind of a medium teal. Oh, there is some 310 black. Okay, I must have missed that on the thing. But very nicely done. Just beautiful colors. Oh, and this is a partial. Let me roll this up just so everybody doesn't get lost. It is a partial, so you don't have to do the background. Let me flip it this way. But it should go fairly fast with all that half cross stitch. Look at those, are all half cross stitches right there. Your regular numbers are here. And then on this side, it is all your back stitches. It is 130 stitches wide by 119 high. So very nice. Very nice indeed. Product number and the name is up here. Yeah, this will be really nice to do in the summertime. Let me measure. You know I like to measure. It is serged all the way around, by the way, if I didn't say that. So that's nice. It's 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters by, almost 29 centimeters or almost 11.5 inches. The actual picture size is 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters. And this way it is 23.5 centimeters or 9.25 inches. So very nice. Very nice indeed. Very well printed. I'll show you that. I was winding my dealie up here. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see all the symbols. Now that's a little half cross stitches. Sometimes I have issues. I can't see it exactly. So I might have to use my pattern. But yeah, it's not bad at all. All right. Let's get on to the next one. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back, but do you see all those luscious, luscious colors? Just stunning, stunning. Just absolutely love it. Now it's long and skinny. Does have the product number here at the top. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. It is 34 by 59 centimeters. Okay, and it was $8.88, and it has 38 colors. Very nice pattern, very easy to see everything. Oh, just It has 154 mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple, 666 red. No, we have 823, no 939, no 3371, or 3865. None of that. So there's, I don't know what they're using for white or off-white, but is that not, can you ever? Just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, love it. Just absolutely love it. We're going to set this aside for a second. Does come with a toolkit. We have a blossom, I don't know that you can see that or not. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. I'm going to set that aside. Let me do this. Canvas. There's a sticker here. And the paper pattern. Okay, the product number is 6963, 6963, and 6963. All right, let me just set this aside a second. Give me a second, I'll get this out. All right. Look at all those luscious, luscious, luscious colors. There's your 550 purple. Oh, I didn't look for that 996 number. That could be that there. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Bright, bright green, bright orange, bright yellow, neon yellow, purples, kind of a rose color. You actually have a red color there. 310 black. You have kind of a peachy color, turquoise, green, just every color of the rainbow. Just absolutely stunning. Look at that purple. Oh my goodness. It's like medium jelly bean purple. But look at those pinks. Ugh. Just a rainbow. I can't. I just can't. So I can hardly wait to see the canvas. We'll go in there in a second. Give me a sec. All right. I am back. It is serged all the way around. It's kind of on a stiff canvas, but I prefer this canvas because it crunches down so nice. This is just going to be, oh my goodness. And it doesn't look confettied. I don't know if you can see all the rivers of colors. There might be little sprinkles of confetti, but this is stunning. Just absolutely stunning. Does have how big it is. It's 125 by 233. Just gorgeous. Now the numbers, paper pattern will match the canvas on this one. The serging is in the numbers just a bit, but you have the paper pattern to compare it to. Very nicely done. Very nicely printed. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And it's skinny. It's not one of those big wide ones. I feel like I've been fighting canvas for months. Especially when I work on the beast. But that's a whole nother ball game. And you just sit there and stitch for hours and hours and hours. But, oh, I could stitch on this for hours and hours. It is 23 inches or 58.5 centimeters by... Whoops. A little over 13.5 inches or 34.5 centimeters. Actual is 11.25 inches or 28.5 centimeters. So it's not too wide. By, we're going to call it at 20.75 inches or 52.5 centimeters. Very nicely done. Good job, guys. Oh, love this. I can hardly wait to stitch on this. We'll be doing that today at 1. Yeah, I can tell you that like right now. Yeah, just beautiful. That'll be a whole separate video, but very nice. And I like this material. It just, after you held it for a little bit, it just starts getting softer and softer. Yeah. I almost prefer it over that nice smooth stuff. I have a hard time sometimes with even Joy Sunday. You know, it's so smooth, and I kind of want to say the word starched, but I don't think it's starched. You know what I mean? But gorgeous. You could just start up here, and it's just kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. But those roses, oh, they just do it. Thank you, FGNormal, for these 2 lovely kits and the lovely little sticky pad, which I'll figure out later. But I've never had one that's quite this sticky. Oh, it's going to come off. Yeah. But you put it, that's what I wanted to show you. sticky on both sides. It's what I don't understand. So we'll just let it go. But I guess you can just lay it down like so. Now it will stick to material. I've done that, and it doesn't leave a residue because I've had my my tiger beaded cross stitch, and I lay it on the canvas, and that way it doesn't move back and forth, and it comes right up, and it's fine. It doesn't leave any kind of residue, and it stays sticky. And I got it all. Molly was sitting next to me. I had cat for dog for, and so I rinsed it off. It was just good as new. It just worked perfectly. And I have another few of them somewhere. They're here somewhere, unless I put it back with the beaded cross stitch. That could be a possibility too. Now, if FGNormal has any specials, or if I have any discount codes, it'll go in the beginning of the video and below in the description box. Now, FGNormal has diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of them. They have scrapbooking, wood felt. I've never done wood felt. Wool felt, wood. Wool felt or paper quilling, wax sealing, and they do have silk screen stencils. So I'm assuming that's the stencils that people use for, sometimes I guess you could use it in scrapbooking, case in point, or mixed media, if you're making journals and stuff like that. I used to like to do that, but yeah, it got to be a little bit much. I was really into it. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you once again, FGNormal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.